I guess I was a bit scared.
Caleb.
Hello, A Day with Caleb. Today we are taking a look at old retro footage shot from remember the big shoulder video camcorders with the VCR loaded side, big bulky thing. We're taking a look at, I don't know if you can see my shirt, Six Flags over Georgia. This is 1991 footage from then, probably June, July, August. We were 3 years old here. We were born May 28th, 1988. This is June, July, August of 1991, so we were barely 3 years old. So we'll take a look at footage from our first trip to Six Flags over Georgia. A pretty unique video today, kind of going through what it was like for a 3-year-old at a theme park. Hope you enjoy, tag along, and let's take a look at Six Flags over Georgia. So this, let's see, that was Josh, I believe. This is our cousin, JD. This is not here anymore. This, you would like circle around. I believe a similar ride is there now. It's just not as dangerous as this was. So let's go ahead a little. Okay, here we are. I guess we were too small to ride. This is our mom, our mother. So I guess, see, how does that not get stuck in the trees?
Get out, come on. Come on.
That's our dad in the background screaming, come on. Okay, this was a cool, this is the mine train going there. This is our Aunt Wanda here. Let's see, these are cool. These are like semi-trucks. Let's see if we'll get on. That is Josh waving. Okay, that's me. I'm waving there. Blowing kisses. How handsome am I at 3 years old? Let's see.
There he is.
I don't know what my dad's doing right now. Getting more ride footage, maybe? Okay, here we go. Here we go. See, that's awesome for a 3-year-old. It just loops around this little track, and look how long that line is. That's a cool shot of them all lined up like that. So it goes over this bridge, you come back around, and then you loop into the station. Let's see. Where we at? Okay. I believe I'm with Aunt Wanda and Josh is below, maybe? Let's see here. So pulling back in. She's thrilled to be there. Yep, Josh. I believe Josh was below. So that's the trucks. Let's kind of fast forward. How many laps do we go? Okay. That's our granny, Aunt Belinda, Aunt Deborah, our mother.
Mama Belinda's booties. And yours. Oh,
See, I should have pre-watched this, but I did not. This is the carousel. I believe when the park opened, this carousel was there. I believe they got it from a historical place. I believe. These are always fun to ride. Try to ride it every trip we go to Six Flags. Used to go every year. The last few years haven't gone as much. You saw the video last year. We went with PJ. Okay, that's Josh. That's Josh on the. That's my favorite horse, the black with the white. Okay, where am I? They have lost me. Oh, Granny? Granny has me, I guess? Let's fast forward a little. Oh, there I am. With Granny. I wish I still had that hair, that thick hair. That is our cousin Heather. She is 2 years older, so she would have been probably 5 here. So, there's me. Look at that handsome devil. No. That's Josh? I thought I was with Granny. Even the twins get confused, I guess. They said I was with Granny. But that's clearly Josh. Yep, no mistaking that beautiful face. That's me. Okay, here we go. Going around. Yep, a lot of. Oh, here we are in the park. That's our Uncle Ken, Marine, Cousin Jonathan. They rode Big Thunder. That's our cousin Scott. This is where the new Justice League ride is. This used to be bumper cars. Look at that motley crew there. That's our Uncle Hank. He's been in a lot of background films. Okay, this is Monster Mansion here. A ride that inspired Splash Mountain to a certain degree. Tony Baxter rode this ride at Six Flags, and this also is kind of based on those books. But this is much scarier than Splash Mountain. Even now, it kind of scares me. I don't think we got any footage. I think think our Aunt Deborah's just getting some B-roll here of the crowd. Oh, Sylvester! See, we do homeschool day now, and we do not get these character interactions at Six Flags. How cool is that? Obviously, it wasn't cool back then at 3 years old. I guess I was a bit scared. No Mickey Mouse, but... all the other kids are enjoying it. Okay, these are cool. These are the parachutes. And this plot of land is now where, let's see, what would be right there? Oh, Goliath. This is where Goliath is now. But right in 1991, this was parachutes. You go way up and kind of gradually go down like a parachute. Back then, I guess they didn't get on to people for sitting on the rails, because clearly I'm sitting on the rails there. See, it comes down gradually. Let's see if we gain footage going up. There we are. That's not us. Okay, Aunt Deborah's about to go up with Heather. Let's see. This day and age with theme parks, it's probably not the best ride, but back then it was so cool. Of course, we were 3, so I don't know what we're filming right now. Okay, we're filming like ground. This is your attention span at 3 years old. Scott playing with Josh there. He won that shooting basketball hoops, those like carnival games. Me and Heather are pushing. Sorry Heather, I didn't mean to do that. I was 3, so. Okay, Josh getting some early basketball drills in. Let's see, what's this? Ice cream. That looks good. Oh, there's Cyclone. Well, now it's Twisted Cyclone because these wood structures were shaky. Well, not like it wasn't falling apart, but the roller coaster was shaky. Getting some cousin time in. That's fun. Let's see, so far we've been on 3 rides, and it's almost dusk, so did not do the adventures like we do now. Just kind of walking around the park. We're just kind of playing tag. Awesome. That's Josh. Getting some cousin time in. Let's see. Oh, this fountain at the entrance used to be way cool. With these big columns and fountains shooting everywhere, water shooting up. Hey, is that it? Well, with no warning, no stop, we have ended Six Flags. Well, that was interesting. We rode 3 rides, fitting since we were 3 years old. We might have done more. We just didn't capture it on film. I hope you enjoyed going back in time to 1991. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share with a theme park lover. And until next time, keep that thrill going.